The budget session today. Part two of the budget session has resumed, and the Rajya Sabha had resumed to do business, but it has seen about at least four adjournments till it finally adjourned for the day. The House was adjourned here because of the opposition MPs, that includes the Congress, the TMC MPs, entering the well of the House here, protesting against the issue of price rise, raising slogans against the central government and demanding that a debate be done on this issue, on why are prices being raised this way almost on a daily basis. The opposition heard here saying that the country is suffering because of the hike here. Immediate discussion on this should be called in. In the past few days, as we've observed, petrol and diesel rates have largely remained unchanged, but they have been increasing consistently, almost continuously in the past few weeks, and particularly LPG, that has been seeing at least a chunk of 25 rupees of a hike each given time here, which has been raised in these protests as well. Multiple protests here held by the opposition parties outside Parliament and today in the well of the House here as well.
पेट्रोल, डीजल, गैस की महंगाई की वजह से हर चीज़ महंगी हो रही है। खाने पीने की चीज़ भी लो, चाहे जितने भी आवश्यक वस्तुएं हैं उनके भी प्राइसेस आज दिन ब दिन बढ़ रहे हैं। तो ये जो जनता में आज आक्रोश है, उसको सदन में हम उठाकर चर्चा करना चाहते थे, लेकिन उसको मना किया गया। सरकार तैयार नहीं थी।
Let's get in more voices. In fact, we have one from the BJP, Mr. Indranil Khan, with us on the phone line. Mr. Khan, thank you for being with us. Good evening. The bare minimum that the opposition parties are asking for is that this be discussed in Parliament. This is something that concerns people across the country here, and there should be a discussion allocated. There should be time allocated for this.
Listen, the Union Finance Ministry has been taking a well note of all the different issues that are concerning the common man, and you have seen that we have gone through such a worst pandemic of this century, and even after that we have maintained the inflation, the wholesale price inflation, all these things within much lesser. It was less than 4% in fact for the last year. So the government of India has been very much sympathetic towards the needs of the poor people and towards the welfare of the lower middle class and the middle class citizens of the country. So there is no doubt, not an iota of worry for the ordinary citizens of India, because the government is proactively looking into it.
Right, but Mr. Khan, are you saying that there is no need for this discussion? I mean, if you take your point that the government of India has done a lot about keeping the prices down, are you saying that there is no need for this discussion in Parliament?
There is a discussion. For that the Parliament has to function, and prior to that there is a ministry concern. We just can't take, because there are several senior officials of the Finance Ministry, also there are the Petroleum Ministry, and most importantly the prices of the petroleum products have been deregulated. Now the different public sector units and different companies which are doing all this oil refinery, they have their say in the pricing. And so you have to talk to the stakeholders first, because they are the people who are going to maintain the supply chain. We have to take them into confidence, and obviously the people's interest is definitely on topmost priority for the Modi government. And you have seen that, because there are in the just 5-6 months back only, we have seen the LPG prices and petrol diesel prices had been much lesser. And it was during the Modi government only. And so the Modi government is very much concerned, and that's why the prices keep increasing. And
no, so the prices, Mr. Khan, what you're saying is actually factually incorrect. We're very well aware that prices have come down as far as the dollar per barrel is concerned while we talk about today. But prices in rupees is already high, has remained high, has not come down, keeping in mind pandemic woes, pandemic issues here as well. Prices cannot consistently rise, and it's not just about fuel, it's also about taking away subsidy entirely. The LPG subsidy, which was one of the poster campaigns, a signature campaign and achievement of the government, has completely been slashed away this time. How does one explain that, and why shouldn't that be discussed in Parliament?
Because just over the last 6 months, we have seen 8 crore families have been benefited with free LPG cylinders, not just subsidies. They were given free LPG cylinders, 8 crore families. is not a, it is a very much mammoth task, and the government of India well managed it. And it was the taxes and the different duties that which are utilized by the government for the welfare of the poor only. You have to think of the poor also, no? So the government can't just manufacture rupees like that. It can't just print currencies. It has to do a well-balanced total budgeting, and accordingly the poor has to be the topmost priority for
Right.
any government.
Mr. Khan, appreciate
any
you speaking with
sympathetic
us.
government.
Apologize for the interruption. We're all thinking about the poor here. Price hike is not something that is not affecting the poor either. People have gone back to the chulha system because they can't afford gas anymore. Let's go across to the Lok Sabha here.